Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to unarchive your Instagram Reels. So let's start the video. First of all, go to your Instagram profile and now select the profile icon on the bottom right and select those three dots on top of your screen, and now select archive option here, click it and make sure you are selecting post archive on this drop down option. Just select the post archive option and now select the reels that you want to unarchive, click it, and here on top of you can see the three dots, click that and select show on profile and select show on profile again, and as you can see the restored message popped up. And now to check this, go to your profile again and reload your profile, go to your reels option. Now you can see the reels is unarchived. So this is the video, and I hope this is a helpful video for you, and I will see you guys.